Guard movie at my mama crib. Let's get into it.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? She said she an angel, need a halo. Straight up Sonic, no Sega.
Oh. Did it really move me out of my mama crib? Yes. At the age 18, your boy has moved out of his mama crib, and you know, I got my own little spot now. As y'all see, I got some stuff hung up in my room. I'm currently in an apartment at my first unit. It's not no barracks or anything. I got BH. I'm paying with that. So yeah, the boy has got his first apartment at 18. And now the second part. Do I have a roommate? Yes, I have a roommate. And I got a roommate because I would be saving so much more money than opposed to go getting my own house. Like, my BH would cover having my own apartment, but if I could save that BH and pocket like $1,000 a month, I'm gonna do it, and that's what I'm gonna do. So your boy got an apartment with one of the dudes here at the unit. Pretty cool dude. I'm glad he accepted me being his roommate. And you know, your boy been chilling for the last couple days. The boy just did his introduction to his unit the other day, but that'll be for another video. So how's it been? Like, I'm not gonna cap, it's crazy. I had this planned out, but I didn't know how real it could be. You know, I really moved at 18, and that's crazy. It's wild, because most people can't say that. Most people have been with their mama or dad, so like, I'm just blessed to be in this situation. I thank God for everything that happened for me. But it's crazy, man. Do I miss my mama cooking sometimes? Yes. I actually gotta go eat in a couple minutes, but it's crazy, man. I love being on my own. It's fun. Like I'm saying, it's fun. You get to explore a lot of new things, get to see a lot of new things. That's why I told y'all, like, we got a new setup. We got a new setup coming on. I'm actually recording on, I got a Sony ZF-1. I got Sony ZV-E10 right behind it. But I'm gonna be giving away the Sony ZV-E1F to my homeboy Xavier. I'm proud of you, my boy. Just keep on working. We gonna get it right. But yeah, I'm giving him that this camera, and it's gonna be fire. But yeah, man. So your boy got BH, got his own little crib. I'm gonna do a little tour for y'all with like so what is it called? Some edited. Actually, do it this time because I know sometimes I don't be editing some of the things, so I'm gonna edit it down for you. But man, it's crazy, fam. Like, I did not expect to like get a crib this fast. Like, especially being on my own, like making my own bread, ranking up. I'm just learning a whole bunch of new things, and I'm glad God gave me this opportunity, and I'm so ready to get into everything I can. But without you know what I'm saying, little introduction, we're gonna get right into it. So, don't clown me on the bed. I ordered my bed 2 days ago, and it ain't get here yet. So don't get on my bed, please. Okay, so you know your boy got the Florida flag right there, the Haiti flag right there, you know, Big Z. And then hold on, we're gonna come over here, right? You got your boy, we got a nice little desk right here. I'm gonna do a more in-depth one for y'all so y'all can see like a little montage. Got a hats over there. And then we got a painting by your boy. Your boy just got bored, so I did a little painting. It's a little Bender drawing. And then I got like my tag on there. But that's that. And then over here, we got the TV, watching the content that. We got PS5. Then we got the Nintendo Switch and stuff like that. That's that. And then I got the little album things right there. And then, you know, your boy got the freaking, I made like a little Florida mural. I don't know if I can see it too well, but I made a little Florida mural on there. I'm probably gonna get some more stuff for the walls too, cause they're a little barren, but like they're white. I've never been in a white room. My last room was blue at my old house, so yeah. And then, you know, of course, the air mattress right now. I'm getting my bed. Please do not clown me. Please do not clown me. I'm getting my bed, okay? I am getting my bed, okay? But that's my little room. I'm gonna show y'all more of the house a little bit. I'm gonna do like a little montage. I'm not gonna show y'all too much. But yeah, I'm gonna get it together for y'all, and I'll see y'all then. Perfect.
Got me walking around like I'm Frankenstein. Heard it's 34's OT finna take the drive. On my way right now, I ain't gotta pay for side. Triple A for little bitch, I'ma break her spine. Triple S when I step, bitch, I'm 10.